Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. I wanted to do a quick video on one of the services we offer called Remote Trackside Tuning. A lot of you guys already know about normal remote tuning, and what Trackside Support Tuning does is takes it one step further. It's an option that we offer if you're a remote tune customer. It's $100 per session, or with our new services that we are launching, our silver, gold, and platinum level services. The gold comes with 1 session and the platinum comes with 5, and you can always purchase more. The reason I wanted to do this video is to give people a little bit of an idea of exactly how it goes down, the benefits of it, and why you should do it. If you're the type of guy who gets your tune, is happy to go to the track, run a good time, and that's about it, then it may not be for you. But if every thousandth of a second, 100th, 10th matters to you, then it's probably a good product for you to look into. The way it works is I'm here at the shop in Boynton Beach, Florida. You let me know ahead of time what track you're going to and when you're going to be running your car. And if I'm available, I'll be sitting here ready to go. We're lucky enough to have Steve Collins in Oklahoma City. Just got his car finished up thanks to Trevor from Tricky Performance. Trevor recently got his car to do the remote tune, the Palm Beach Dyno remote tune with me, and he installed a fuel system and oil pump gears. So they're at the track right now. I believe they just got there. I'm going to hand it over to them, and they're going to go ahead and make the first run, which is the last tune that I sent him after the remote session was done. So here's Trevor.
Hey everyone, Trevor with Tricky Performance here. Have Steve Collins 2013 Mustang GT we did a little work on, and working with Ken on the tune remotely with Palm Beach Dyno. So we came to the track today to do a little track support session to kind of explain how it works to everyone. And so we're going to go make a pass and send the log to Ken. Trevor with Tricky Performance back. We just made our first pass in Steve's car, so we're in the car getting the tune off, or the log off of the SCTX4, and sending it to Ken, so that way he can look at the log and hopefully send us a revision.
Okay, we just got the first log from Trevor and Steve out in Oklahoma, and the car ran a 1054 at 132, which is pretty good for what's done to it. I don't think I said this earlier, but Steve's car is a 2013 Mustang GT with a Roush blower, 82mm pulley, E85, stock converter. I think that's about it. On the first hit, it looks like he was short shifting the 1-2 a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and make just that one simple change and send it on back to them and see what they can do with it.
Trevor here again. Sent a log to Ken, he sent a revision, we got it in the car, going to go make another pass, see what we can do. Trevor here again. We got a revision from Ken. We loaded it in the car and went and made another pass. So we went a 1054 earlier at 132 and some change. We got a revision, put it in. It didn't 60 foot as well, and it did go a 1057 at 132. So this last revision Ken sent us, it went a 1044.6 at 133.6 with a 161.64. Got a good log to send to Ken. Try to get another revision and see if we can go a little bit quicker.
Okay, we just got that last log from Trevor and Steve, and looks like we picked up about 0.06 of a second. We went from a 1052 to a 1046. I got the new log. It looks like it's still short shifting the 1-2, and I see some other changes I can make to some fuel and timing. So we're going to make one more change and see what they can do.
Trevor here again. Of course, Ken sent us a revision. We took it out, made one last pass. As you can see, number 13 on the car. Number 13 on the time slip. It went a 1030 at 135.15. Thank you, Ken.
Well, there you have it, from a 1054 to a 1030 all in one night. Now, does that mean you need a remote trackside support session to achieve these goals? Absolutely not. You could get the same results with our normal remote session. The difference being is the rate at which you progress. Steve could have gone to the track, done some logs, ran a 1050, probably been very happy with it, sent me a log, and then gone to the track the next week or the next month, then run 1040s, sent me a log, then run 1030s. Instead, he was able to knock this out in one night, and I can tell you that there was a pretty big smile on his face at the end of the night. So that's really what I'm looking to do, is to help you guys get to your goals as quickly as possible. So consider Trackside Support for you if that's the kind of racer you are. Thanks again.